In the vast emptiness of space, there exists a secret that has remained hidden for millennia. What appears to be our neighboring planet Mars is not what it seems. Long before humans walked the Earth, an ancient civilization thrived on the Red Planet. They were masters of technology we can barely comprehend today. But as Earth began to flourish with life, Mars began to die. The Martians watched, they waited, and they planned their revenge. Today, in the cold vacuum of space, a lone satellite drifts between two worlds. This small piece of human engineering represents the last fragment of our technological achievement. It floats helplessly, unaware that it's about to witness the end of everything we know. The satellite begins to drift, pulled by an invisible force. Something is wrong. Mars is moving. In a violent collision with Earth, the satellite explodes in a burst of light and metal, a final human scream in the darkness. This is not an accident. This is the beginning of the end. For eons, Mars has been hollow, not a planet, but a weapon. Deep beneath its rusty surface, ancient Martian technology has been waiting. Massive gravitational engines powered by the planet's core itself now roar to life. What we're witnessing is called the Roche limit, the point where gravitational forces become so strong that they tear objects apart. But this is no natural phenomenon. This is warfare on a planetary scale. Mars creeps closer to Earth, its massive bulk blocking out the stars. The Red Planet has become a crimson harbinger of doom, guided by the vengeful spirits of a dead civilization. As Mars enters Earth's gravitational field, the laws of physics become weapons of mass destruction. Our planet's crust begins to buckle and crack. Mountains are torn from their foundations. Oceans boil and evaporate into space. The sheer scale of destruction is beyond human comprehension. Chunks of Earth, some the size of continents, are ripped away and hurled into space. This is what happens when planets collide, but this collision was planned. As Mars itself begins to fragment, the ancient weapon is sacrificing itself to destroy us. Massive debris clouds spiral between the two worlds, creating a hellish dance of rock and fire. In a twist of cosmic irony, Mars becomes trapped in Earth's orbit. The weapon has become a moon, but the damage is far from over. What we're seeing now is called orbital decay. Mars, now our reluctant satellite, will slowly spiral inward. Each orbit brings it closer to Earth, raining down meteors and asteroids like bullets from space. The Martians' revenge is not quick death, it's slow torture. They want us to watch our world burn, piece by piece. As Mars continues its death spiral, it gradually breaks apart. The planet that once harbored life, that once held dreams of conquest, now becomes a ring of debris around our wounded Earth. This ring, this beautiful, terrible crown of destruction, is all that remains of the Martians' final act. They have given their entire world to destroy ours. The last fragments of Mars rain down upon Earth like celestial tears. Our planet glows molten red, a mirror image of the red planet that destroyed it. The impact generates so much heat that the surface becomes a sea of liquid rock. The weapon has fired. The war is over. Mars has had its revenge. Millions of years pass. The molten surface cools. The ring of debris settles into a thin, ghostly band around our world. But Earth survives. What remains is a barren wasteland, brown, lifeless, no oceans, no forests, no laughter of children or songs of birds, just endless, empty landscapes stretching to the horizon. This is the price of cosmic warfare. This is what happens when planets become weapons. The Martians got their revenge, but in the end, nobody won. In the silence of space, Earth spins on, forever marked by the ring of a dead world's final act. A monument to the day when Mars came home. The void remembers everything.